You can use Parcel Tracker with the phone and tablet. Android and iOS both work, but for best performance, we recommend at least an iPhone SE or an Android with 6 GB of RAM and a 2.8 GHz processor. In this video, we'll go over how to download Parcel Tracker for Android and iOS. If you have an Android device, please continue watching, while iOS users can fast forward to the next section. In the Play Store, look for Parcel Tracker-Mailroom. Press Install. Once it's finished, you can click Open and log in with your account details. On iOS, open the App Store. Look for Parcel Tracker-Mailroom. Press Install. Once it's installed, you can click Open and log in with your account details. And that's it. You're ready to use Parcel Tracker. For more tutorials, check out our tutorials playlist. You can also find tutorials on how to set up your account depending on your use case.